If you're a stay-at-home mama who's feeling defeated, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, you're tired of not having your own income, you're tired of not being able to give your kids the life you want to give them, this video is for you. Because guess what? Almost 7 months ago, I was in that position. I felt defeated. We were living paycheck to paycheck. Every single time we went to the freaking grocery store, we were pulling out of our savings, and it was just stressful. I wanted to do more. I wanted my own income. I didn't want to have to use my husband's truck anymore. I wanted my own vehicle. And so when I came upon an online digital marketing video talking about how I could make $900 a day, how to bring in passive income off my phone, I said, I'm going to give it a shot because I have nothing to lose. I'm already in this position, so let me get out of it, right? I gave online digital marketing a shot, and let me tell you, it changed my life. I've made $16,000 so far in these last almost 7 months, and my family is now living financially free. I want to help you get out of that position. I want to help you stop feeling that way. I want you to look yourself in the mirror and be happy at where your life is right now. I want you to look at your kids and tell them yes when they ask to go to the zoo or to the museum or go get an extra toy or go get a snack at the grocery store. I want to help you be that yes mom and live your dream life. So if you're ready to make that change, you're sick and tired of struggling, you're sick and tired of living the life that you're currently living, comment yes down below because I'm going to give you more information.